All right, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful tools that I've come across the internet when it comes to creating content and creating lots of it all in one time. It's called Batch Create. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this with ChatGPT. You'll never ever have to worry about spending hours coming up with social media posts ever again. Okay, so let's begin. We can do one of three things. We can go to ChatGPT, we can go to AI, Microsoft Bing, or we can go to Bard. Okay, let's just go to Bard. Let's see what Bard puts out for us. Okay, I haven't used them yet. I've traditionally used ChatGPT, but hey, just for the heck of the presentation, let's go ahead and use Bard. So let's make believe we are in the fitness space. Let's ask Bard to come up with 25 quotes. Come up with 25 quotes or sayings that have to do with fitness and well-being. Okay? But then we're going to go even a step further and say, format it into a bullet point list. All right? Just because we don't want like a run-on sentence, okay? Or we don't want like a paragraph. We literally want a list. Let's see what Bard, and we're doing this live, guys. I have not done this yet with this particular category. Okay, love it. Check this out. 25 quotes or sayings that have to do with fitness or well-being. Boom. Look at that. Okay? It even cites the websites where it's pulling some of that stuff. So let's just say we go ahead and take this, scroll down, highlight it. Hopefully there's 25 there. If not, that's okay. Just for the sake of time, we're going to go ahead and copy it. We're going to go to Sheets, which is just Google Sheets. We're going to create a new Google Sheet. We're going to click up at the top left-hand corner of the page, and you're going to go Control V. You're basically going to paste all of those sayings. It only gave us 19, so that's fine. If it gives us 19, you can always go back and say continue. You just give it a prompt to continue, and then it'll give you the rest of the quotes, okay? So let's just say, boom, gives us the rest of the quotes. Maybe it's a little more than 25 now, okay? So we'll go to this last column here. We'll paste. Okay, now, this is in a comma-separated value. This is in a spreadsheet. You want to title it, Top Quotes for Fitness. You're going to go ahead and save it as a CSV file, okay? CSV, comma-separated value. Save it to your desktop. Go ahead and save it. Wherever you're going to save it, just make sure you know where it is. You're going to go back to Canva. You're going to go ahead and choose let's just say a social media post. We're going to choose an Instagram post, okay? We're going to pick out a template. We can start with a blank slate, or we can actually pick out a pre-done template for us. Now, here's where the cool part comes in. You're going to look for bulk create. You may have to go into the apps, scroll down until you see something that says bulk create, or you can type it in bulk create. Let's see if it pulls it up, okay? And it doesn't. So then it's probably right here. It's either in your apps or it's down here at the left-hand corner. Click on bulk create. You're going to then upload your CSV file, top quotes for fitness. It's going to look like this. Don't worry. It's okay. Upload it anyway. Now, read the instructions. Right-click an element in your page to connect your data below. Okay, we're going to right-click it. We're going to click Connect Data. We're going to select the spreadsheet that we uploaded. It's going to generate it for us. We click Continue. These are all of the posts. Now, before you create 35 pages, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure you type in whatever you want, because what's on this one is going to be duplicated on all 35 pages. So you can retype, you can edit this, you can do whatever you want. You can, let's just say we want to upload a logo, put our logo in here. Let's just see if we upload, where's our logo? So put a little logo in here. Okay, we'll just do this. We'll drop this here. Maybe you have a brand or a logo for your business. Maybe I want to put my @. Okay, maybe I want to put it there. Maybe I want to put it right here so that every single, after every single quote, my name appears there, all right? Even though we're giving credit, I want people to know my handle so that they can go back to my page and follow it, okay? So we're going to go back to bulk create. It's already created all of your posts. Once that's established, you're going to say create 35 pages. And watch this. The magic is happening before our eyes. Boom. Here's a post. Here's a new post. Here's an even newer post. Here's another new post. And you have 35 posts with different sayings on there, all relating back to your brand. From that point on, you go ahead and save it. You're going to download it. PNG files are good, or JPEG files are good. You're going to go ahead and download all 35 pages. It's probably going to download into some type of zip file. Zip file is totally okay. Download the zip file, save as, name it what you want to name it, put it in the folder that you want to put it in. And now, when you go back to your folder, you have a zip file. You can go ahead and extract it, extract all. If you have a Mac, it's a little different, but just you get the idea. We're going to extract it, and boom. All 35 of our quotes are there, and it's just taking a second to generate, but you get the idea, okay? So let's open it back up. Boom, there it is. Check that out. Now I can then go to, let's just say we went to Facebook. I can go to Facebook, and then, well, it depends on if you have a professional profile or not, but I can go ahead and sometimes it'll let you schedule, or you can go to your page and you can schedule something, maybe in your group. You want to go to schedule posts. Let's see if it'll let, yeah, so when I put a post in here, it'll let me schedule out posts. I can go ahead and schedule out the time and day that I want that post. I can go and schedule all 35 posts if I want to, okay? So I wanted to show you that powerful tool. Appreciate you guys, and you can proceed to the next module. Hope you got some value out of this.